Major fracture detected.
What was that for?
Today is not your lucky day. You touched my nickel!
Major fracture detected.
I'll show you!
Major fracture
I think I'm in the mood to
detected.
shoot some hoops.
Perfect.
Come here.
What?
Slam dunk time!
Wait, what?
Major fracture detected.
I'd love to see instant replay on that. Oh, wow, that was sexy. You stay right there. I'll be right back.
Which one? So many weapons, so little time. Oh.
What's going on?
Major fracture
What else can I
detected.
do to him? I could draw a mustache on his stupid face. That'll teach him. Hold still.
Oh, no, please! I don't
Now you have a mustache.
No! Not a mustache! Anything but a mustache! I look mature now!
Okay. I'm thinking crowbar next. Take this, you mustache freak! He needs some spankings!
He needs some spankings.
Yes, he does!
I've been waiting for this.
Go ahead, Mark, go get it!
Oh, I will. All right.
You deserve this! You had enough?
Yes, please!
He hasn't had enough, Mark!
All right, Luigi, what do you want to do
Major
next?
fracture
I have an
detected.
idea. Let's take a pillowcase, fill it up with bars of soap, and beat the shit out of him.
I like that. I really like that.
Okay, I'll be right back.
All right.
All right, Mark, hold him down for me.
Oh no!
All right. I don't want to do it anymore.
Major fracture detected.
Oh no!
Major fracture detected.
Okay, we need to get this mustache off his face.
Yeah, what a poser!
How many balls are you drawing on me?
Lie!
I know what to do to liars.
Oh no!
Emergency. User dead imminent.
Yeah, that's what you deserve!
Yeah, that's exactly what you deserve. All right. So, Luigi, why did we just do all those things to Toad?
Oh, it's super simple, Mario. Super simple. He